My mom's phone can upload videos and I can't. I envy. Hello, Laundry. How are you? You're so much fun. Intro.
Come on, everybody. Here we go. Up to Neverland.
On the agenda today was shower, do laundry. I haven't done any since Easter, and maybe just clean the room. I want to be productive today. We've been lazy all week. It's ridiculous. And design lid trimming, since whilst all of that is going on. Yeah. This left mouse button is so loose, I can only imagine. How many times in your life do you think you've clicked your left mouse button on your laptop? 10 million? 20 million? 20 million times. I wish your computer could, like, record that somewhere. How many times have you clicked your left mouse button? And your right mouse button? And your space bar? Man, can you imagine? It's like the whole argument of how many times we've pressed that button on the coffee maker till it broke. Didn't break, it shipped off. You're vlogging my green noodles. They are delicious. Yeah. Finish Lady Tremaine, make the bow tie, do the dishes, take a shower, pack food, go to sleep, go to Disney. I gotta go. I have a lot to do. By the way, I'm going to Disney, bro. Yeah. Or I plan to, I guess. I also plan on changing word Never Gonna Give You Up by Rick Astley to Never Gonna Grow Up. It's gonna be really cheesy, and it might become the new outro song that I sing, so yeah. And on that account, think of all the joy you find with your favorite that you share and click the thumbs up line. It's copywritten, don't listen to it. Please subscribe. Go to sleep.
When you grow up, your heart dies.
Who cares?
I care.